Ariza Academy, we welcome you to our prestigious institution.
Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world, quote Nelson Mandela. The power of education goes beyond developing the skills we need to succeed economically. Education can contribute to establish a nation and also help for reconciliation. Having understood this, we choose to make our modest contribution to the development of our country through the education of our youth by creating Ariza Academy International.
The vision of Ariza is a school of peculiarity. It's a reference school with a difference, and we have a vision that we want to achieve. And the first vision we want to achieve is that we want to make sure that we bring up young Cameroonians who are going to be very faithful, who are going to be honest, who are going to get void of corruption. That's the first vision of Ariza, to really bring up children who are up to date, bring up children who will represent the reality of time. Second vision of Ariza, we intend to form children, teach them before preparing them for exams. Because some schools get into preparing children for exams in the name of teaching. No, we form our children, we teach them before preparing for them for exams. And we want to reach a goal. One of our goals is that of success. Good results at all levels, at all times. And I think we have done this, we have achieved this already. With our vision. We really want to be a school with a difference, a reference school with a difference in our way of teaching, in our methods of teaching, in our method of physical appearance, in our method of moral upbringing, both of the teachers and of the children. We also intend to lay emphasis on professionalism on the part of the teachers so that they should know why they are there, so that as they are working, they should work without stress. Working without stress means therefore that if they know their role, what they are there for, as we train them every day so that the productivity should be there, they already know that if they are working hard without stress. And that's why teachers of Ariza are always happy.
Ariza Academy n'est pas une école comme tous les autres. Nous avons des principes que chaque enseignant à l'entrée d'Ariza sait que bon, il doit suivre ces principes pour que le travail soit bien fait. Nous, à notre niveau, au niveau de l'administration, nous veillons à ce que le travail pédagogique les enseignants, la discipline surtout, puisse être bien fait et pour que les enseignements puissent également très bien s'asseoir.
Je me sens très bien à Ariza, je ne suis pas frustrée, nous sommes libres à Ariza de nous exprimer, libres de parler avec la hiérarchie, libres de parler avec les parents, libres de vraiment causer avec les enfants à chaque fois qu'ils ont un problème, de rentrer jusqu'à dans leur vie privée pour savoir ce qui ne va pas afin de mieux asseoir l'enseignement.
Tout à fait satisfait des résultats de notre établissement puisque dès la première année de notre existence, nous sommes sortis sur toutes les écoles de Douala, la 5e, la première école. À la deuxième année, je dois dire que non seulement le premier de tout Douala, la région du littoral, au First School Living Certificate est sorti de l'Ariza Academy avec une note de 19,60 sur 20.